Welcome back, YouTube, to another Fat Guy Builds. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Only 2% of my viewers are subscribed, so if you subscribe, that would help out a lot. Today we're doing an Altima upper torque mount. It's just an upper motor mount right under the hood on top of the engine. So this video will be pretty simple. Pop the hood. Here's the part number for the upper torque mount, motor mount. And I got this on Rock Auto, EM9545. Grab two 18 millimeters. I'm using a ratchety wrench back there and then a boxy wrench here. That way I can get the leverage to break that bolt loose. On this overflow, there's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes into here. Take that out so you can get this out of the way. Now you can get an 18 millimeter in here. You're going to remove these two bolts on both sides of the car. And then you're going to come back here. You're going to use a wobbly extension and a pry bar. You're going to pry up on that. And then that allows you to get the bolt out. So get it loose. And now I'm finished getting it out with a ratcheting wrench. Now I'm getting out this bolt the rest of the way. Here are the two parts. You can see that rip there. That's no bueno. So it's ripped on this side too. We're just going to toss this new one in. I'm going to slide it in like that first. Then put this bolt in. You want to make sure you get this not cross-threaded. You should be able to do it by hand because you're going into aluminum, and if you cross-thread it, you're screwed forever. Use a screwdriver to get this lined up. Don't tighten this down all the way. That way you can have a little wiggle room to get this bolt here threaded in. At least a few threads. Because if this is super tight, you might be off by a 1/16 of an inch and not be able to get the bolt in. Then get your drill, and you're going to tighten this down on this back one first, and then on this front one. Finish replacing the rest of the stuff in the reverse order of how you took it apart, and you're all done.